Hi guys, Chris here. So I just signed up to Perspective Funnels for the first time, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process on how I would set up my account and how I'll go about creating my first funnels. And I'm also going to show you everything you need to know on Perspective Funnels. So I'm going to get into my account and show you. So this is the homepage here, and I just started my 14-day trial. So as you can see, I just started the trial. This is the workflow for me to set up my Perspective funnel. So let's quickly get into it. So we can say Chris Workspace, or let's say Chris Digital Work. Okay, let's say just Chris Digital, right? So let's say Chris Digital Workspace. So yeah, this is edit your workspace. Hey Chris, create a work for your team. All right, so most people use their team company. Okay, so let's just create continue, right? So on the next screen here, as you can see, do you currently use a funnel or landing page builder, or where are you joining us from? So let's say you can say you are moving from another tool, or you're starting out. So let's say I'm just starting out. Even if I have funnel, I have other funnels on other platforms, but let's try this. Okay, previous tool. So wow, this is really exciting here. So excited for you. Which tool are you moving from? So these are different tools here: One Page, Mitovo, ClickFunnels, Funnel Cockpit for WordPress users. This is Go High Level, Unbounce, Meta. Wow, really nice. So here you just have to choose the platform, and you can choose to migrate. So let me check ClickFunnels. I currently have a ClickFunnels account, so let's see how this works. So this is the industry here. So the next screen here, to choose your industry. Are you an agency, freelancer, into manufacturing, insurance, insurance and finance, trade and e-commerce, education and coaching, software company? So let's say agency. Okay. So what is the size of your company, which is really nice. So the size of your company would be only me, 2 to 10 employees. So you just need to like 200 plus employees. So currently it's just myself and a few contractors and freelancers. So I'll go with this. How did you hear about us? Okay, this is just for, I think it's just for marketing purposes, but I think I heard them from, let's say, from Google search. Okay, so join us. So this is just a call to action to their one of their onboarding. Join us. Onboarding gets 60 get leads in 60 minutes. So secure my free spot. So okay, take me to my account. I'm not interested. Which goal do you want to achieve? Generate appointments, attract employees, build an email, generate online sales. I don't know yet. So you can choose to. I don't know yet. So setting your goals. Okay. So these are like okay. This is just like a video to help you select the best template. But let's select see all template, right? So let's see what they have in store for me here. Okay, no, okay, wait, I don't know yet. Okay, this is just automated, right? Okay, so let's say I would like to generate appointments. Okay, what would you like to offer your visitors? Appointment booking, coach request, strategy call. All right, so this is just like okay, let's say strategy call. So I think I'll go with strategy call, because I'm currently launching my SEO and AI optimization agency. So I think strategy call slot would make sense for me. Okay, let's see, creating strategy. This is really cool. This is very cool. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff, because it they kind of like align align your goal to the type of funnel you create, which is very, very awesome. So this is welcome to funnel editor online publish. Okay, so this is the funnel editor here. Next, okay, this is how the whole thing works. Okay, really nice. Edit pages, breeze through. Anyways, so I don't need all this. I'm quite familiar with how this sales funnel platforms work. So but you can choose to read them. So an open letter to every business owner running Facebook. So let's send me my report. Okay, this is a good one. So as seen and reported about. Okay, their business. If you are looking for the fastest, most effective way. So looks like they have a copy already built for you here. Wow, nice, really nice. So yeah, this is how my page would look like. My funnel page would look like. So you can choose to preview here. You can check a couple of settings, but let me preview. Let me see what they have here. All right. Okay, got it. Let's see. Okay, this is how the preview look like on mobile. So one thing about Perspective Funnel is they have mobile first platform, mobile first platform, which is very, very nice because majority of users are now on mobile. So it's really, really cool, very cool. Let's go back to our editor. So here, this is your funnel. You can choose to edit all this. You can choose to like, okay, an open letter every business owner. Let me edit this. Business owner who wants to be business owner who wants free traffic. So who wants free traffic or who is tired of paying money for. Anyway, so this is just for my offer, for my SEO and AI optimization offer. I can choose to do this here, right? So this is the editor. So this is you can wide done. So this is the funnel settings here. So from the funnel setting, you have this is social preview. This is favicon. You can set your favicon here. So favicon is this tiny little icon here on the browser here. Language, progress bar. You can also choose to do this funnel sharing. Cool, very cool stuff. So you can choose to share your funnel. Like let's say I want to share this funnel with other users. I can actually like share this funnel with other users, which is very, very nice. Very nice. Senders. So I think when you send a message in Perspective, sender.com, okay, that I displayed. Okay, you can, okay, this is for email. You can, sender option here, add new sender. So, but anyways, I'm not interested in this now. Let me just go back here. So we also have the metrics here. Metrics is more like analytics to view your the stats of your funnel, views, views of visits, contact, conversion rates, sales, and all that. So that is you as you can see here, the funnel is not published, so I can't see the metrics here. Okay, so for contact, we also have contact here, which is more like contact is like email list, your email list. Then we have apps here. So apps is more like if you want to connect your email marketing software or any other software like Facebook, make.com, API keys, like you can forward your funnel data to go high level account, which is really, really nice. So essentially this connects with other platforms. Even if you like say like I use Go High Level, so I can connect my Go High Level to Perspective Funnels, which is also cool. This is Hotjar. Very nice. So as you can see, this is pretty cool stuff here. But the only problem here, the only thing I don't like that I'm seeing here that is not really not too good, that you might feel that is limited in Perspective Funnel, is the integration. So it is limited in integration from what I can see here. So this is just, most of the integrations are like, some of the integrations are via Zapier. So you need to connect via Zapier before you connect your, unlike most funnel builders out there that connect, that you can integrate natively, right? But some of these you need Zapier to, as you can see, this Zapier connection, this Zapier connection, this Zapier connection. So Zapier is more like an intermediary, like a middleman between Perspective Funnels and, let's say you want to connect with email by, let's say with Gmail, you would need to connect Gmail to Zapier to Perspective Funnels, or Perspective Funnel to Zapier to. So Zapier is more like intermediary. So this doesn't connect with Zapier. So this native integration here. So with Go High Level is native integration as well. Active Campaign here. But I can't see Aweber, I can't see Get Response, I can't see Kits or Convert Kit, I can't see ClickFunnels, I can't see a lot of platforms here. So I can't see some email marketing platforms. I don't know why. So you should be aware of this if you are trying to sign up to Perspective Funnels. But you can also use like your API to connect all these, or use webhooks, you know. So just letting you know about all these limited integrations with Perspective Funnels. All right. So messages. Let's see what we have in messages here. So messages is more like okay. Let me see. I don't know what this is all about, but I guess messages is okay. Messages like an automation within Perspective Funnels, I believe. So this is, trigger when, so I think this is more like an automation, right? So this is more like an automation for email marketing automation, I believe. So let me see, design, theme. Okay. This is your theme. You can choose different color here from different color options. Yeah. But this is not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. So we have opt-in. So this particular funnel here, I think I shows the funnel here is a call, like to book an appointment. I believe this is like a book an appointment. So after the opt-in, I think this is after the opt-in here. Download your free report. Okay, So when after clicking this, they'll be taken to download their reports here, which is, I really like this sleek design. I like it. They're like very sleek. Then there's a VSL. Okay, so now this is the next. So basically they're about, this is the first page, second page, third page here. So opt-in. After opt-in, they'll be shown this. Probably a VSL to claim the strategy session here. Then core pitch. So first name, limited book your free call, grab 30-minute free call. So this offering here. Okay, find out what you, okay, nice, really nice. So depending on the type of funnel you want to build, you'll be prompted to select while onboarding, while after taking up your free account, your free Perspective Funnel trial free account, you'll be taken to this to, what type of market do you currently? Then your country. Okay, what country? Okay, so this is more like a quiz. I believe this is more like a quiz, right? A quiz to pre-qualify the leads. So budget. Wow, nice, really nice. I love this. So do you have one? Oh, wow, nice, really nice. Then business. Wow. What's your money? Okay. I like this, because this is more like at the end of this quiz, it's more like to pre-qualify the leads for the call, right? So after all these, okay, where did you first hear about us? So you can even choose to delete. If you want to delete any of this, you can delete, duplicate, or delete, or whatever. This is all for you here. Then the last page would be, okay, looks like a match. We can help you. Let's arrange your free call. Okay. Choose a Calendly and all that. Okay, so you can also add new pages. You can so you can add items. I believe you can add more items here. So these are you can add links, you know, you can change the color. Pretty standard stuff. Nothing. Okay, so this is confirmation here. Sign up for the free 30-day. Sorry, unfortunately, based on your current position, it doesn't. So this is more like to pre-qualify people for a course. This is very, very useful for agency owners. Very, 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 very awesome. All right. So let me go out of the editor and go back. Go to the home page. Let's see what we have here. So I've gone back to my workspace on perspective funnels. As you can see, this is performance. This is the inbox here. This is the referrals. Okay. This is more like affiliate program for perspective. So this, I'm not interested in this. All right. Let's see what we have here. So this is, let me check our workspace. So basically, this is how the workspace looks like, right? So you can create new workspace. You can add a domain. You can also add a domain in here. You can add a domain. Let's see. So let's say I want to add a new workspace for my SEO stuff. So you want to create a new workspace, open a customer account and end. So create a new workspace. So let's say I want to create a new workspace here. So let's say Chris SEO and AI agency. AI agency. So let's say continue. So this is a brand new workspace domain. Okay, so this is your company name or customer name. So let me change it to Chris Digital AI optimization. Yeah. SEO AI optimization. So let's continue here. So this is like a workspace domain. So search for funnels, no funnels. So move funnels, can move. So I don't have existing funnels here. So let me skip this step. Invite members. So you can also invite members to your workspace. So maybe a team members or, so let's say skip step. So I need to skip this step, right? So all funnels. So this is another to select the type of funnels I would like to build. So appointment funnels, product finder, recruiting, webinar, coupon, contest. So I can start with an empty funnel. So let's say you can choose a new funnel here or discover the app. Okay, so let's say select an empty funnel. Let's see what it brings up. So this is a blank page. If you choose select an empty funnel, this is a blank page. So you can two-step GDPR. So let's check this out for the blank page. Let's see what we have here. So now we have this is a blank page. This is a blank. So you can choose to add elements. Let me try and add a little bit of some elements here. So you can add a block. So let's say we can add 2 blocks here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here, okay, basic button, image, add a component to the header. So we can actually add some header here. Let's see, 2 blocks. Okay, add a component, basic. Okay, so let's say, okay, let me remove this. Okay, so let's say we want to add a page. So this is more like an extra page. No. Okay, so this is the first page. So we can keep adding more pages, depending on how you want to structure your structure your, okay, I've seen what I'm looking for here. So this is a new, you can choose to add new block here. Okay. So I think is just it will just take a while for you to get the hang of it. It's a bit different from, you know, the ClickFunnels and Go High Level editors, but it's still like, let's see, basic blocks. Okay, these basic blocks. Let's see, interactive blocks. So multiple choice. So you can add different stuff here. Let me see. So let's say I add a text. Okay, review. So these are proven experts, Google Maps. So let's say I've added a text here, right? So you can edit the text, bold and all that. Okay, so let's say, so you can also move it above. Let's see. So you can move it over here. Okay. Anyway, it's not bad, but it could be better. It could be better. Let's see. So interactive. Let's say let me add like a form or maybe a payment here. So this is more like a payment. So this should be, wow, really cool stuff. Very cool stuff. All right. So I hope this this at least this gives you a little bit of idea on how perspective funnel looks like. It could be better. This is not the best funnel builder I've used, by the way, not the best, but if you're looking for, I think they have a lot of pre-built template depending on pre-built stuff, depending on what you like to create. Like for instance, as you can see, like property sales, a lot of templates here, by the way, a lot of templates, you know, appointment, VSL demo, you know, strategic or lead magnets. Lead magnet templates are also cool, very, very cool. Coaching offer, VSL, a lot of pre-built template. So I wouldn't even bother creating any template from scratch for perspective for now. I wouldn't bother doing that. I would just pick from the pre-built or pre-existing templates here. Like for instance, let's take lead magnet. So as you can see, this is a very, 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 very cool stuff here. Very, very cool lead magnet. So as you can see, this is, and they are all very neat, very, very neat. So one thing I'm going to give perspective for the give them a huge thumbs up is the template. The templates are slicky, very, very slicky, very, very. So they have a ton of it, and they are very, very easy to, very easy and built to convert. That is what I noticed. Lots and lot of stuff here. Let me see. Okay, you have blank, product timer, career pages, social profile. Wow, really, really nice. So yeah, so I hope this walkthrough, because this is more like a walkthrough than a review. All right. So I hope this really helps, gives you a little bit of insights, or how perspective funnel works. Oh, so I need to upgrade to unlock more funnels. So apparently I'm on the free trial, so I need to upgrade to access all this. So so that is it, by the way, with perspective funnels. That is it. If you have any questions about perspective funnel, because I'm still playing around the platform, so I'm going to build my SEO agent, my new SEO agency and AI optimization page, core page with this. So I'm going to build something. I'm going to play around, build something, probably upgrade my plan here and see how the platform goes. So feel free to use the first link in the description to check out check out the platform and see. I know it's a free trial, 14 days free trial. So if you don't like it before 14 days, you can go ahead and cancel your account. But if you love it, but So far, perspective funnels is not bad. I will give them 6/10 or 6.5/10. Not bad. So you can give it a try by using the first link in the description, and let me know what you think in the comments. All right. So that will be it. See you guys in the next one.